To clean or replace the air filter on your Sportsman XP 1000S, follow these steps. Place the transmission in park. Set the parking brake. Next, the seat will need to be removed to access the airbox. Lift up on the seat latch to disengage the grommet and pull the seat back to remove it. Clean the area around the airbox cover. Remove the rubber end of the clutch duct. Release the airbox cover strap and remove the airbox cover. Inspect the airbox cover seal for damage and replace if necessary. Remove the air filter assembly from the airbox by pulling rearward. Slip the pre-filter screen off the main filter and inspect the screen for tears or damage. Inspect the main filter and replace if necessary. In dusty conditions, air filter replacement will be required more often. Caution: if the filter has become soaked with fuel or oil, it must be replaced. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. Wash the pre-filter screen with hot, soapy water. Rinse and let dry completely. Clean the airbox thoroughly. Caution: dirt or debris in the intake could result in severe engine damage. Always clean all dirt and debris from the intake before installing the filter. Reinstall the pre-filter screen over the main filter. Be sure the screen covers the entire surface of the main filter without folds, creases, or gaps. Install the air filter assembly onto the airbox and make sure it is fully seated. Proper placement of the air filter is important to prevent air leaks. Caution: use of a non-Polaris approved air filter may cause engine damage. Always use Polaris approved replacement filters. Replacement filters are available at your Polaris dealer. Insert the two alignment tabs at the bottom of the cover into the airbox and install the rubber strap. Inspect the airbox sealing surface and verify the cover is fully seated. Reinstall the rubber end of the clutch duct with the opening facing away from the airbox. Reinstall the seat by lining up the locators in the front and pushing down in the rear. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.